smart technology is most useful when it quietly takes work off your plate. These 15 finds help with cleaning, organization, security, pet care, kitchen tasks, and more. Before we begin, commissions may be earned from the links shared with this video. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases at no additional cost to you. Thank you for supporting Pamela's Best Finds. We'll begin with smart home basics that help save time, organize busy routines, simplify front door access, preserve favorite memories, and keep fresh water available for pets. This robot vacuum handles vacuuming and mopping with less hands-on work, making it a helpful choice for everyday dust, crumbs, and pet hair. The Skylight digital wall planner brings appointments, chores, meal plans, and family routines together in one easy-to-see place. The smart lock offers fingerprint, keypad, and phone access, making everyday coming and going simpler and more convenient. The Kodak Step mini printer turns favorite phone photos into instant prints for journals, gifts, scrapbooks, and keepsakes. This wireless cat water fountain keeps water circulating and gives you more flexibility about where it can be placed. Next are more clever everyday helpers, including portable car tools, bathroom upgrades, small kitchen gadgets, and other smart solutions for daily routines. This cordless tire inflator is a practical tool to keep in the car for pressure checks and unexpected low tires. Its compact design can also help with bicycles, motorcycles, and inflatable sports equipment. This household trash compactor reduces the space taken up by everyday waste, helping prevent overflowing bags and cutting down on trips to take out the trash. The touchless mouthwash dispenser provides a measured amount without requiring the bottle to be handled each time, creating a tidier and more convenient bathroom routine. This rechargeable scoop uses gentle heat to move through firmly frozen desserts more easily, making serving ice cream faster and less frustrating. The portable mini humidifier adds moisture beside a bed, at a desk, or while traveling without taking up the space of a full-size appliance. The final group includes smart technology for window cleaning, precise kitchen prep, bread baking, personalized beauty, and outdoor upkeep. This window cleaning robot moves across the glass while its cleaning pads wipe away everyday marks and residue. It can be especially useful for larger or awkward windows. The digital measuring spoon has a built-in scale for accurately measuring small amounts used in baking, coffee, supplements, or pet food. This bread-proofing box creates a more consistent environment for dough to rise, with adjustable temperature and timer controls that take some of the guesswork out of baking. The smart nail art printer turns digital images and patterns into customized designs, making it easier to experiment with photographs, seasonal themes, and detailed artwork. This robotic lawn mower follows a scheduled routine to keep the grass maintained with less hands-on work, freeing up more time for everything else you would rather be doing. Smart technology can make everyday routines easier in so many different ways. Visit Pamela's Best Finds to see all 15 products. The blog link is first in the description, followed by the complete Amazon idea list.